So, what is it? How many amps are we expecting? 60? No, we're expecting 120 this time.
Yeah, double that. Once you wake up from lots of meters. If you can just press the button, just go back.
It's gonna go through these four. We have water in the system now. Alright.
4.167.
So I think...
Have you set that to DC?
press the yellow button. Alright, so this time, if our rig doesn't heat up, you can technically go down all the way to 3 volts, but we'll have to see.
Wait, so whatever pops up in the yellow, I should multiply times 4.167.
Yeah, just go on the graph. Whatever. Okay. Ready? I think we're good.
Right, going 3, 2, 1.
100. $98 actually. That drops a little more now.
How's that looking?
Not exploded. Or
If you see the solder melt, we gotta stop it.
Okay, it's at 96.
what's the battery voltage?
3.45.
Okay.
95, and it's still dropping every time I plug in numbers. 94.6. What is the number that I'm calculating?
How much current's going through it?
I mean, I guess we're good, right? Or should we?
The question is, do we want to wait? Because then,
Oh, see what? Okay.
technically with this video, you can plot how much current's going through, I guess.
Yeah.
Or your power, watt hours.
93.3.
So do we want to go down 3 volts or what?
Oh, keep discharging until 3?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see how long.
We can film
At this point, it should only last like 15 minutes.
Yeah. At 100. If it's
1/5 of an hour, yeah, 15 minutes ish.
Yeah.
Which is still a lot because you're pulling a freaking.
But it wasn't fully charged, so less than.
Yeah. Of course. Pay attention to smells.
Oh, I don't get a sense of smell, so
Just keep watching those contacts over there because we don't want to.
Yeah.
we're at 91.25 now. So what does 4.167 mean?
That's the resistance of the thing.
Of what then?
Of the shunt resistor, I believe.
Oh, that's...
Yeah, it's but that's in milliohms, 4.167 milliohms.
No, I did
Yeah, and then
Yeah.
that's in millivolts. So
Okay.
now you're getting.
Yeah. So it's current across that shunt resistor.
Yeah.
And why do we need the shunt resistor or what?
It tells us how much current's going through it.
Oh, okay.
Without that, we don't have a calibrated source.
we know like precise resistance of it.
Oh yeah, because you
I
have
think
to.
I smell the water a little bit actually. Do you smell anything?
Does water have a smell?
Well, when it starts boiling, it's.
It's warm, but it's not
How warm, like?
like a bath.
Can you calculate the power too, Jason?
So
Times
do
3.
the current times 7.
Both of those multiplied together times your constant. It's already stored in there as the alpha C.
I think I saw some smoke rising, or probably vapor actually.
311 is what I got.
311 watts.
Yeah.
Yeah. Multiply that by 18 by 2.
By 18 divided
And then multiply by 2 again.
So multiply by 36. 11,200. I definitely do. Kind
11
of
kilowatts
From a single segment, or that's a
from our
two
2 segments. All right. So what do you smell?
I saw something guys, but maybe just one.
Wait, so we're supposed to get like 80 kilowatts from 36 seconds, right? Or no,
No,
36
double
we're supposed
that.
to get 40.
Yeah.
So we should be getting 4 times the power from this, basically.
Yeah. But it's
There's some smoke, right?
That's just vapor, right? Or what?
It's coming out the end of this, I think.
the water is not like hot enough, so I think.
Yeah. Carefully look at where the vapor is coming from.
It's definitely coming from the plant there.
Oh, that looks like it's melting. Right there.
Oh yeah, the connection.
All right.
Yeah.
Should we turn it off then, or?
Well, we'll watch it. Oh shit. that wire's pretty hot too.
Yeah, that is.
And how hot is that wire?
Oh yeah. Nice and toasty.
That is. All right. So watch these wires. Make sure they don't melt on us. I guess
How long are we
So
trying to
this-
do this for?
for like 15 minutes, maybe. I don't know. We're just trying to see how much capacity we can get out of this thing here. I think it's definitely that contact resistance on that thing that's screwing it up. So we'll have to watch that.
You just
Is there any
Contact
heat?
resistance on what?
See how it's only crimped there? It's not soldered. If we soldered it, a lot of the heat would go away.
Yeah.
I mean,
That's
this
the-
is fine. But
That's the same reason why we had to solder the actual jig. Is that battery getting hot?
oh yeah. Should we be monitoring how hot the battery is getting? Probably.
Maybe.
Did you touch it? Or?
At least the size.
It's 100 amps, right? It should be able to be able for 200 continuous, I think.
Oh well, yeah. I don't know if that's keeping my temperature. Actually, maybe.
And we're applying pressure on it too, so it's performing better than otherwise.
But
Are you gonna
This is
do
kinda- this
the
is not bad,
one-time
yeah.
homework here, or-
I'm not
It's
sure. I'm
fine, yeah.
thinking.
That's surviving
I'll
you a
do
decently
the
long
report
time,
stuff I
too.
need to do tomorrow, but
Just gotta pay attention to what's actually
I'm not sure. I have to get up at
melting.
6 a.m. yeah.
like a lot of things.
Wait, did I tell you that already?
Yeah, you did.
I guess
Said you got-
if everything else survives, we can go down to 3 volts, and
No, yeah,
then
because one person was 3 minutes late, so they
Uh,
rescheduled it. To
and then
6
we can end it.
tomorrow.
Yeah.
I mean, it just makes people be on time in
Is that a
that.
hazing thing?
A little, kind of. I mean,
Not played by the rules.
technically anything that causes like physical or emotional harm is considered hazing.
Hurt my feelings.
I don't know. Apparently, like Teak people. Well, do you
Yeah,
know
that's not
how
good.
Teak has the Polar Beach Party?
It's pretty molten.
I think I've heard of it.
Oh,
They
good.
fill their basement up with sand and have a 3-day party.
Oh, okay.
And so,
So we're
what
8
they
minutes
do is
in.
They bring a wheelbarrow in.
We got
all the
maybe
pledges have to
8
fill
more
the
minutes
wheelbarrow
ago.
with plastic
Maybe not even
tubes.
that.
Well, it's just
It's gonna
That
drop
is
really
actually
fast, so
hazing.
watch it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
This-
dropping pretty fast now.
I'll keep it.
Then there's also the type of hazing where they like, I think, like 20 years ago or something, Beta dropped off a kid in the middle of nowhere or something and made him like find.
Hey
his way
Jason, how
back.
much current is that drawing now? We're gonna have to stop this soon.
It's gonna hit 3 soon.
When it hits 3, we gotta stop.
82.
Oh.
Oh, Sam's coming.
Sam walks
it's
up to us
dropping
and
back.
sees a explosion. Oh shit.
Yay.
There we go.
And it's bouncing back 0.2.
Well, we just tested 8 minutes worth of 100 amps. Like, we're so